Okay, I'm going to go ahead and do a second example, a little bit easier. First step again is to let x equal your decimal. I forgot to put the bar over the top. Second step is to realize how many decimals are going to be repeating. So again, this decimal is 0.444444, so on and so forth. So therefore, we only have one digit that is repeating. Step 3 is to multiply both sides of that equation by a number that has 1 0. So 1 0 would equal 10. So we have x equals 0.4 repeating. We're going to multiply both sides by 10. Okay. So we can write that as 10x. We know that this can be written as such. Now, if we multiply by 10, this moves the decimal once to the right. So the decimal goes from being behind the 4 to now being between the first and second 4 here. I can rewrite that as 4.444, and then that can be rewritten as 4.4 repeating. Okay, let me check the steps. Step number 4, rewrite it as a sum. So I can rewrite this as 4 plus the decimal. So again, taking the whole decimal, splitting it up into 2 separate decimals. Step 5, this technically is the same thing as x because we told us at the very beginning that these two are interchangeable. They can be the same. So rewrite it as 10x equals 4 plus x. If you need to put a 1 there, put a 1 there. But remember, that is 1x. Step number 6 is to move this x to the other side. So I'm going to subtract 1x on both sides. So that I get 9x equals 4. And then the last step is to get rid of this 9 and move it to the other side. So again, we have multiplication going on here. The opposite is division. So I'm going to divide both sides by 9. So I get x equals 4/9. And then when you stick this into your calculator, you should get 0.4 repeating.